Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I show you how to active 3D sound on Windows 11 and also how to improve your system sound on Windows 11. Let's start. Right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, find Sound. Click on this arrow. Right click here, click on Update Driver. Click on Browse my computer for drivers. Click here. Let me pick. Click the second one. It is the last update. Click on Next. You will see this message: Windows has successfully updated your driver. Okay, close this one. Then click on Yes. When you click on Yes, your system will restart. When you restart your system, then search here Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Here we have View By. You should open with category. Don't open with large or small icon. Open with category. Here is hardware and sound. Click here. Here is manage audio device. Click here. Choose your speaker. Click on properties. Click on advanced. You should have this enhancement here. If you don't have this enhancement, update your driver, then you will have this enhancement. Check this enhancement, click on apply, then click on OK. Click on OK. Now let us active 3D sound on Windows 11. Before this, guys, if you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have a notification. Let's continue. Right click here, then click on sound settings. Here you have a speaker. Click on this arrow. Scroll down. Here is Spatial sound or 3D sound. When you active this option, you will hear the real sound. It is off. Click here, then select Windows. Now you will have real sound on your system. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good day. See you soon.